how to draw on the right side of the brain. This is the first in a series of videos on how to draw creatively, starting with today's magic. So subscribe right now to see our future videos. Today, I want to teach you some Zen techniques that involve you thinking in a different way. I want to know, does this technique work for you? So leave a message in the comments down below. Today, we bring you the theory of drawing on the right side of the brain. Then, help you master the skill by practicing the skills in training. Now, the concept of drawing on the right side of the brain allows you to see what's in front of your eyes and to draw what's in front of your eyes, because inside the right side of the brain is an intelligence dedicated to spatial thinking. The rest of this video will talk about spatial thinking and how to unlock it, to draw what you see. Now, from the big picture, our brain is consisted of 8 main intelligences. Quickly, these are spatial intelligence, what we're learning about today. Then there's logical intelligence, kinesthetic intelligence, harmonic intelligence, natural intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, and most important, linguistic intelligence, the intelligence of talking. This is a long list and a very good reason to subscribe to my channel. I'll be talking about other intelligences later. Now, to learn about spatial intelligence, we want to isolate it. We want to switch off all the other intelligences. So, no talking and no thinking about the abstract concept of an object. Don't think, is this a car, or this car's fun for driving? Don't think about the object. Just look at the lines in front of you. Today, we'll learn about spatial intelligence. It's used for thinking about position, shape, line, and volume. Spatial intelligence can be used to look at the lines and border edges in an object. And by not thinking of it as an object, but a bunch of lines, the artist goes on and records the same lines on the paper. Spatial intelligence is best understood and learnt while undertaking some drawing exercises. So, I've got my sharpened pencil, paper, and a ruler, and I'm ready to go. Today's practice is about drawing a warm-up picture and being mindful of the area in your brain you use as you do the drawing exercise. I start by drawing a 14 centimeter by 14 centimeter square on the page. I divide the square into 2 rectangles, 7 centimeters by 14 centimeters. The object of this task is to draw a line on one side and draw its mirror image on the other side. So here we go. I draw the first line. It's a random line. That's not too complex to start with, and also has some interest to it. I'm ready. The next part is where we start to use the right side of our brain. Start by clearing your mind. No talking. No engaging any of the thoughts or intelligences about the object. Now start just looking at the lines in the picture, looking at the shape of the line. Place your pencil at the start, clear your mind, Look at the direction of the start of the line and slowly move your pencil out at an even speed, about 0.5 centimeter per second. Just think about the direction of the line and drawing the mirror image. Notice what part of the brain you're using. Remember the feeling in your brain. In the future, when you try to draw, try to access the same part of the brain that you can feel now. It's like doing Tai Chi for the brain. Move your hands slowly and your eyes slowly along the line. Slowly but surely. Like a kung fu fighter doing Tai Chi. Look at the line, keep calm. Feel the part of the brain that is drawing the line. There you go, that's finished. Now repeat this exercise again and again after the video. And remember, slowly but surely, look at the line. Think about the direction. Follow the direction and draw the mirror image on the other side. Be mindful of the area of the brain that you're using when you're copying this line. That was today's lesson. A very simple concept, but very powerful. If you want to take a picture of the result and post it up on Facebook, that would be awesome. Did this technique work for you? Leave a message in the comments. For the next video, I want to add to this drawing on the right side of the brain concept with some practical exercises such as drawing negative spaces. Subscribe, like, and leave a comment.